Given have a nice day, good evening. Now I'm new. I work in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, and my job is doing business. Today I got one piece of mini motherboard from hongdafeng. The factory is also called dianji. Now I introduce this motherboard. This motherboard is based on HM65 chipset, and the CPU is Cyan 847. You can see this is the CPU and the chipset, and this is the CPU with the fan. Now the fan is running, and this is the chipset HM65 chipset, and the memory is DDR3, and the SSD is msata, and this motherboard support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 piece VGA card, and this is for power supply, and it is 6 pin, 1 6 pin, 2 6 pin, 3 6 pin, 4 6 pin, 5 6 pin, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8 pins. This is for power supply. And this is for LAN, and 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports. And this is HDMI port for the monitor. Now let us see. Now let's also see how long is the motherboard. Now we see. You can see 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now 16. The length is the 60, and the width is 18. Now we see the distance between the two sockets. We can see is 65. Now let us also have a try. We will insert two VGA cards. Now insert the first piece VGA card. Now we insert the second piece VGA card. Now you can between the two VGA cards. We still have distance. This is very good for the. This can't coat the VGA card, not too hot. We can see. I think that this model is very good design. I bought this motherboard from hongdafeng factory, and the renminbi price is 815 renminbi. Is around 120 USD dollar. Thanks you watching, and please subscribe my channel, and next time we will provide more nice video. Thank you. Bye bye.